Rashtriya SANKALP Diwas or National Pledge Day was observed at the Conference Hall of Manipur Secretariat South Block in IMPHAL today. The death anniversary of Indira Gandhi is marked as Rashtriya SANKALP Diwas or National Pledge Day across the country. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Singh, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar Singh, ministers, MLAs and high-ranking officials attended the event. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today via video conferencing inaugurated a newly constructed office building of All Ziribam Working Journalists Union (AZWU) at Babupara in Ziribam district. A strong earthquake struck the Aegean Sea between the Turkish coast and the Greek island of Samos yesterday, killing at least 19 people and injuring over 700 amid collapsed buildings and flooding. The media reports said people ran onto streets in panic in the Turkish city of Izmir after the quake struck with a magnitude of up to 7.0. A small tsunami also struck the Safarisar district south of Izmir. The global total COVID-19 tally now reached 4.59 crore cases with 11.47 lakh active cases. A media report said the death toll stands at 11.93 lakh, while 3.32 crore people have recovered from the deadly disease. France entered a new lockdown as the resurgent coronavirus pandemic increasingly forced other countries to consider following suit, with Europe passing 10 million total infections and the United States posting a daily record of 90,000 cases. Security forces arrested the General Secretary of Liberation of Tribal Tigers (LTT) from Kangwai Bazaar yesterday around 4:45 p.m. The top LTT leader Lamkosei Khongsai, aged 33 years, is a resident of Saikul Saigang in Kangpokpi, a police report said. It said he was arrested during operation conducted by a combined team of Bishnupur Police Commando Unit and 31st Assam Rifles led by Bishnupur Commando Officer in charge Y. Shakti Shen. Marking its 48th Foundation Day 2020, the Rotary Club IMPHAL today organized a blood donation camp at the blood bank of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, Porompat. With India reporting 48,648 cases in the last 24 hours, the total number of coronavirus cases rose to 80.88 lakh. The total number of fatalities has reached 1.21 lakh. 5,94,386 are active cases and 73,73,375 people have recovered. The national recovery rate has risen to 91.15%, while the case fatality rate stands at 1.50%, the report said. Manipur today celebrated Mera Ho Chongba festival with great fervour. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yungnam Khemchand, on the auspicious occasion of Mera Wa Yungba or Mera Ho Chongba, today extended his best wishes to the people of Manipur. On the auspicious occasion of Mera Ho Chongba today, Manipur Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister T.H. Satyabrata Singh also extended warm greetings to the people of Manipur. Remembering Sardar VALLABHAI PATEL on his birth anniversary, the Nehru Yuva Kendra Bishnupur, District Police Bishnupur, Young Kwakta Organization YKO and NSS Cell Moirang College today jointly also observed Rashtriya Kwami Ekta Diwas cum Jan Andolan on COVID-19 awareness and Youth Club Development Campaign today at Phogakchau Ikhai Police Station under Bishnupur District. Thobal District Police continue drive against illegal activities in the district ahead of the scheduled by-polls. The police heightened security in poll-bound LILONG constituency. The police today removed party flags, dismantled unauthorized camps and prevented public gatherings. The Meghalaya Cabinet discussed the Rights to Public Service Bill 2020 and the recommendations of the Standing Committee on the Interstate Council Secretariat yesterday. The Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the Rights to Public Service Bill 2020 will be put up in the upcoming Assembly for voting to become an act as per media reports. A week after a supposed breakthrough, a festering MIZORAM-ASSAM boundary row worsened yesterday, intensifying blockades and protests along the border between the two states after the Mizoram government announced that it is not withdrawing its forces. The agitators in southern Assam refused to call off their blockade of National Highway 306, the lifeline of Mizoram, seeking withdrawal of security personnel from Assam's area. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today paid tribute to India's first Deputy Prime Minister Sardar Vallabhai Patel on his birth anniversary. Taking to Twitter, Prime Minister Modi wrote a humble tribute to Iron Man Sardar Vallabhai Patel, the pioneer of national unity and integrity. Meanwhile, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla also paid tribute to Sardar Patel. Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) today said that a cyclonic circulation lies over East Central Bay of Bengal and adjoining North Andaman Sea between 1.5 and 4.5 km above mean sea level. Under the influence of the above system, isolated heavy rainfall with moderate thunderstorm and lightning is likely over South Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura today and tomorrow, the report said.